This is not just a story about trucks. It is a story about two different ideas of progress rolling down the same road. On one side, the Soviet and later Russian line begins with machines that feel raw, upright, and almost handmade. On the other, Germany's Mercedes trucks already carry a sense of industrial polish. But from the start, both sides are chasing the same thing, a vehicle strong enough to carry a nation forward. Then history hardens both of them. The Soviet line turns from AMO into ZIS, and the ZIS-5 becomes far more than a truck. It becomes one of the defining Soviet workhorses of its time, serving the economy, the army, and wartime logistics. Across from it, Mercedes trucks also grow heavier and more serious, shaped by a Europe that no longer needed elegance first, but endurance. After the war, the personalities split more clearly. The Soviet side rebuilds through trucks like the GAZ-51 and ZIS-150, machines that helped put the country back on wheels in huge numbers. Germany answers with post-war Mercedes trucks, and then the famous Kurzhaube, proving that German truck evolution was not only about strength, but also about packaging, regulation, and efficiency. Then the tone changes. The ZL-130 feels like confidence on wheels. Brighter, broader, more modern, and far more recognizable than what came before it. Mercedes moves through NG and SK with a different kind of confidence, turning the truck into something more refined and more prepared for the long-haul future. By this point, these machines are no longer just tools. They are national design philosophies in motion. In the modern era, the contrast becomes even clearer. KAMAZ pushes the Russian story into the cab-over age and then into the taller, more international K4 and K5 style. Mercedes takes its own path with the eActros, turning the long-haul truck into something more advanced and more system-driven.